Welcome to Mobick Explained, your gateway to the Mobick ecosystem. It's been a while since the last update. Well, I wasn't feeling well. It didn't kill me, but it sent me bedridden. I'm glad to be back on track, and I'll try to predict the Bitcoin and Mobick price in the future. Don't expect too much from this though. I'm neither the oracle nor a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my thoughts inspired by Captain Ahab, the movie's founder. So let's just have fun. Captain Ahab once showed me an interesting theory on the Bitcoin price. To simplify his calculation, he dismissed the first 5 years of Bitcoin because it was full of abnormalities and uneven distribution. Two major incidents like the shutdown of Silk Road in October 2013 and bankruptcy filing of Mt. Gox in February 2014 signal the end of the dark era. The BTC price fluctuated widely even after that, but it stayed around $300 range on average, which is why he started from there. His theory is simple. The price of Bitcoin doubles every year. At the moment, it seems to be neither right nor wrong. In 1 year, it looks incorrect. In the next year, the price somehow fits his prediction. If the BTC price indeed doubles every year, Bitcoin will hit $614,400 in 2025. Let's move on to the price of Mobick. Before we do that, I have to admit two things first. Firstly, I don't have the exact data because I got numbers from P2P tradings and there is no central body to compile transaction data yet. I just have ballpark figures which are not accurate. Secondly, the sample period is so short that I don't think any right-minded technical analyst would try to analyze it. But this video is just for fun, and I prefer a hearty laugh to a master's degree thesis, so let's just jump right in. In May 2023, when the airdrop was going in full swing in Jeju, Mobick's price was a mere $2. 1 month later, when people in LA got their hands on Mobick, it started to trade around $6. When the Sydney airdrop was over in July, it broke through the $10 threshold. As the news spread from mouse to mouse through social media and even newspapers, the price have shot up. For me personally, it looks even more remarkable. One day, I sat down on my desk and calculated how much I spent to get Mobick so far. The total cost amounted to around 30 cents per coin. It included gas, meals, flights, accommodations, everything. Mobick is trading at around $150, which makes my returns whopping 500x. The best returns I have made in crypto trading so far was 4x. Since the first airdrop, its price has shown a parabolic surge. I anticipated a positive upward movement, but it was beyond any of my wildest guesses. I have watched many altcoins pump up in the first weeks of their release or listing, and then keep falling until the next Bitcoin halving. As I recall, no coins have ever shown this kind of movement. I know the price will level off and consolidate soon, but one thing has become clear. Mobick's price movement is different from that of other Bitcoin copycats. And we've just begun our journey. If we look at the historical performance of other relatively successful crypto projects, it becomes clear that we are at the starting line of a race. Ethereum went 16,300x, and as we all know, Shiba Inu went over 1 million times its initial price. I don't want to compare Mobi with worthless meme coins like Doge or SHIB. In a year or two, I think we can overtake BNB. It's just a short-term goal though. Captain AF says the price of Bitcoin can be anything. I couldn't agree more because you can't put a price tag on hard money. Nixon tried to tie the US dollar to gold at a fixed exchange rate of $35 per ounce, but eventually failed. Like that of gold, the price of Bitcoin is not set. Theoretically, it can be a million, 10 million, whatever you say. Bitcoin might become a base currency someday. If that happens, you will have to quote how much a dollar is worth in BTC. Gold is being traded for more than $1,900 per ounce now. Could anyone in the Nixon's era have predicted that? Because Mobick shares the same topology as Bitcoin, it is destined to follow the price movement of Bitcoin, only faster. Interesting, right? Well, it was, at least for me. If you don't want to wait for the next show, please visit my blog. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment below. Stay tuned and stay excited. Mobick Probe, signing off.